Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Steve Freeman coming at you live from Zombies Bar here in San Antonio, Texas. Tonight, we're going to be making a shot that would be great for Valentine's Day. We're going to be making the Orgasm shot. Okay, for tonight's ingredients, we're going to be using Caroline's. We're going to follow that by Kahlua, and we're also going to use Ameretto. Those are the ingredients for tonight's shot, guys. Let's get to making it. All right, now to build this shot, first thing you want to do is get your tin. You want to put some ice in your tin. Okay? Our first ingredients is Caroline's. You want to do half an ounce. Okay? We're going to follow that by Kahlua. We're going to do half an ounce. And to finish that up, we're going to do Ameretto. We're going to do half an ounce. Okay, grab the top of our tin here. You want to shake this up real good. Bring over your shot glass. Okay, grab your strainer. Oh, yum, 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 yum. This is a really tasty shot, guys. And there you have it. That's the Zombies Bar Orgasm shot. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed making the Zombies Bar Orgasm shot. You guys have to try this at home, or the next time you come in the bar, I'd love to make you one. Until our next video, I'll see you then.